Great call on this one. Okay, now you want to buy it, right? Oh, is that 1, 2, right? Does that look like an impulse, right? Does that look like we're done? Well, no, it doesn't. Does not look like we're done. So do you want to buy that? I think probably not. Let's get that on there, right on there. My wave 4, my colors are going to be off here, but there's the 30, 50. Well, if it's me, or here's what I would do. I would have some sort of a channel on this little line here, because we've got a little uptrend here going as it's working toward that 4. Could end up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4. We get one more push up. You don't want it to overlap that 1, right? Right now, it's all the ingredients for a nice, clean zigzag. Although the C and the A are not ideally, not perfectly suited. But at this point, right, given that where you are in that, putting the jigsaw puzzle together, is it a train or a flower pot? Well, it sure looks like a train to me. Right? Do you know? Well, you don't know until you get the last pieces in. Break this. What do we got? Anything below? 535 Elliott Wave. Okay, right. That's still within range. That's ideally suited for a 4, right? We don't want it going too far, right? The further it goes, the more doubt creeps in with regards. Do I have a good 4 here? Right? We don't want, ideally, right? It comes right to 0, right? Or within a 5-10 points of that. Roll over, come down here for the 5. So there's 2 choices here. For the aggressive trader, take the short. Stop over the 50. That's what I would do. Because then you're going to be overlapping the 1, right? So you've got a decent amount of cushion here. So you've got, shit, you could sell calls and buy puts. Assuming you're comfortable with that. I'd sell a call spread up here and buy at the money put. Don't do I would do a call spread and buy an at the money put and use the call spread to offset the cost, because I don't want to sell a put if I'm anticipating it to go down. Maybe as it starts to head lower, I would sell a put, but not up here. I want to buy the put because it's going to be cheaper. I want to sell the calls because they're going to be, a little juicier in price because I've had this little upswing. So sell a call spread, hedged risk, to buy an at the money put. If it starts to roll your direction, then you may be selling out of the money put. So you're in the whole trade for as little, if not a credit, as you can. Maybe not a full credit. Depends, right? How fast it moves. That's great work, Karez. I wish I knew how to say your name. Karez. Beautiful work. I mean, this is the kind of trade, right?